Today, I'm going to show you how to cash in your GrabPay balance without paying any fees. This is a great tip if you want to get your money out of GrabPay and use it for something else. So, how do you do it? Well, there are a few different ways. The first way is to use the Grab app. Open the app and go to your wallet. Then, tap on the Cash Out button. You'll be able to choose how much money you want to withdraw. Once you've entered the amount, you'll be able to choose how you want to receive your money. You can either have it deposited into your bank account or have it sent to your GrabPay card. The second way to cash in your GrabPay balance is to use the Grab website. Go to the Grab website and log into your account. Then, click on the Wallet tab. You'll be able to see your GrabPay balance. Click on the Cash Out button and follow the same steps as you would in the app. The third way to cash in your GrabPay balance is to use a GrabPay card. GrabPay cards are physical cards that you can use to make purchases. You can get a GrabPay card by ordering one online or by visiting a Grab partner store. Once you have your GrabPay card, you can use it to withdraw money from ATMs. Additional tips. You can also cash in your GrabPay balance by using the Grab Rewards app. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day from ATMs. There is no fee for cashing in your GrabPay balance using any of the methods I've outlined in this video. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you cash in your GrabPay balance without paying any fees. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching.